Hey, hi friends, welcome back to Bhau-Automation Lab once again. And previous session, we have learned theoretical part related to the extended reports. So in this session, let's try to complete the practical session related to the extended reports, and we'll create some basic Java like a code example of how to create the extended report practically. Okay, so without wasting time, let's go to our Eclipse. And here we have already mentioned in the last like a theoretical part also as well. So we have to create a one simple Maven project, and inside that Maven project we need to add our extend report and Selenium libraries. So how to create the extend report I have already explained many times. This is in the previous session as well, still I'll explaining here. So go to the file and new others, and inside that we have to create a Maven project. Okay, just do the next here, and after we do the next, use the default workspace location. uh, Whatever way I mentioned here, you just create like a Maven project in that simple way as itself. Okay, do not change anything here. Okay, so here it will scan for some archetypes. Okay, and still it's display. We have to search here for the quick start. We require to take that archetype and artifact ID only. Okay, so artifact ID and group ID. So let's search for quick start. It's combined word start. Okay, and let's scroll down this section particular. Okay, we have to take for Apache org.apache only. Okay, so org.apache, and inside that quick start org.apache.maven. This one. Okay, 1.5. So Maven dot archetype quick start, and this is the org.apache Maven archetype. We need to choose this one only. Okay, if you want to click on this include snap short archetypes, you can add that one as well, and just click on the finish. Okay, so here we need to define the group ID. So group ID is something like your package name. So I have defined like com.bh.extend report, and here we'll create a one project like extend reports. Okay, so this is your project name. So I'll just remove this extend reports from the package name. I don't want this one, and this is our package name, right? So let's click on the finish, and it will scan your internet, and from the like remote version of Maven repository, it will download that particular required JAS, and it will create a project for us. Here, whenever it's create a package name like com.bh.extend report, and it asks for yes or no. So I'll just type here y, yes, and complete this one. When you click enter, this will extend reports related Maven project. It will automatically create it in your Eclipse. So here we have a main package. Inside that main package, we have a default like app package. It will create it. We not require this one, so I will just remove that one. And here also, uh, in the test folder as well, app test is created class. We don't require that one. We'll remove that one as well. So this is the structure of your Maven project, and this is our pom.xml file, which is the heart of your like Maven project. Whatever dependencies we require to add, we require to just add this in this particular pom.xml files. Okay, so first of all, we are working with the Selenium and extend report library. So just go to the our official website of Maven. Okay, Maven dependency, and inside that let's search for extend reports. Okay, you need to type here like extend reports. Okay, don't forget this one, extend reports, and this is the particular one, extend report. This is the latest versions. We not required directly, we not working on that. Some libraries are now paid in this versions as well, and some is related to the Spark extend Spark reporter class. Okay, so we are first of all we are working on the some older versions. So I'll take on like a 3.1.5. Okay, and in the Maven dependency, go to this under dependency tab, dependencies tab, and just paste that extend report particular dependency which we have copied. This dependency management we not required in units. If it is created in your project, you can remove that one as well. And here we have added extend report library here, and also we require to search for Selenium as well, and we need to add that Selenium library. So take any newest version which is available on at that time you are like watching this session. Okay, so let's control save it. So I'm taken the very latest version of Selenium is like a 4.25.0. So it will download all required jars in here. And now let's create one simple Java class in this inside this test Java package. So I'm creating extend reports. Okay, so this one simple Java class we have created. Now let's we have understand how to create the extend reports in the previous sessions, right? So we have the syntax and Maven dependency we have added, and this is the syntax we need to add to create an extend report, like extend HTML report, whatever the path we require to define the how where do we create the extend report. So let's do this all the concepts practically here. Okay, so let's create a main package to run working with Java. So I'll create in public static void main here. Okay, so public static void main, and inside that main method, I will create a extend report, right? So extend report. Before that, let's define the extend report globally here in the main method. So I will define like a public, let's see, it's static. We can define like a extend reporter. Extend report, let's say HTML report. Okay, let's import this extend report from our uh, Maven dependency class. Okay, right? So let's hover on it. Okay, before that, let's update our project. I think all Java libraries not integrated still at in the project. So I'll just clean that project, go to right click on the project, Maven clean, and then after that click on the Maven install. Okay, so let's now update the project, Maven, update project, project get updated. And now it's extend reports from the event stack extend reports is available. Now let's import that one. Perfect. Now let's create a one another variable like public static in the same way. Extend, let's say reports, and we can name it as a extend. Okay, it's I'm just given the name as per the extend reports document, guys. Whatever name you want to give, you can give it. But this is the standard way. You can define like same way. Public static. I'm creating one extend test now. So extend. We have seen this in the theoretical part, right? Extend test we require to define like a test. So let's see. Now import this extend test as well. Test as well. Simple. So this is one the syntax we have defined like extend test, HTML report, and test. We have created, right? So now we have already learned syntax how to create the extend report in the theoretical part. So it's just simple. Give this like HTML report. What we can say HTML report is equal to new, and we can define here extend. Let's say HTML report. You can control space as well. Reporter and just like extend reporter, and inside that let's define the path where we want to create our extend reporter, right? So here if you not want to give the path anything here, you can simply type here like simple in this way as well, like automation report dot html. So by default it will automatically create it on the low project level location. Okay, so but I don't want to like store this report here. I want to store all my reports in some folder, so I will just create one folder here in my project name as all the reports. Okay, so let's give the path of this report. So how to give the path? We not add any theoretical like what you can say hard coded values like this. Okay, so what we can do, if I deploy this project on anywhere, this path should be work. So we'll create a like a global path for this using system dot let's say system dot get property, and inside that get property let's type user dot dir directory, and let's pass this extend folder name like all reports. So I'll just copy that folder name as it is, all reports. Okay, and just paste it here. Okay, so whenever we run like uh, this like script, then automatically it will run and search for this particular path. Whenever if you deploy this project on anywhere, it will work. So we'll add this in this way, so it will not hard coded value. Okay, so now let's create our report. Extend is equal to new extend reports. Simple. And now let's assign this HTML to this extend report. So we can type like extend dot, let's say attach reporter, and inside that attach report, let's pass this HTML report. Simple. So our syntax is ready to create a HTML report, extend report. So this is how we can create a HTML report in the simple manner, right? So just define this like a public statically in global, and define here. Okay. So now let's create a one test case for this. We have defined this one test case, right? So to create a test case, we have to write like a test is equal to, let's say, extend dot create test, and in this create test we can give any name like uh, to create a test we can define name like a test case, let's say underscore one, and the given name as test case is like login with valid username and let's say password. So this is our test case name, login with valid username and password. This is our first test case, so you can define the name like this. Now let's do some Selenium code so that we can understand we are able to create extend report or not. So in the last of extend report, what we need to do, as we have seen in theoretical part, like we have to flush the report, right? So we can type like extend dot flush. Without that, our report will not generated. Simple. So using this, we can create a test case, and inside that we can create a HTML report. Simple. So here, if I this run this program, if I refresh this page, there is nothing here. Okay. If I run this simple program, run as, okay, without adding this, it will not work. Okay. Let's say I'll commit out this extend.plus, and I'll just run this program. Okay. No output. And if I refresh this one, there is nothing created inside this folder. If I just remove this plus, and if I run this program again, okay, now let's refresh this particular folder. You can see here automation report is created, but there is nothing inside this report. Now if I open this report in external programs using Chrome browser, so here you can see simple test case one login with valid username and password is created. It's showing our runtime. It's showing our execution time in 1.5 milliseconds only, because we have not added any script status inside this extend report. Okay, till time we just understand how to create an extend report in the simple manner. Okay, now let's add some Selenium code inside that, and we create a one sample Selenium script here for our uh, Bhau-Automation lab.in website. Okay, so we'll create a simple Selenium script for this particular with this particular extend report. Okay, so let's continue this session in the next chapter. Till time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Bhau-Automation Lab, and continue watching. Keep learning. Let's meet in next chapter. Till time, have a great day. Bye bye. Take care, guys.